So we literally predicted a bullish move for the day on GBPUSD. We said GBPUSD will eventually give us a bullish move. Even though it was at the resistance zone, markets did give us that movement. So our prediction was actually correct. We were very much right. Now, before we go ahead to predict what we'll be expecting next, this video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can share your ideas, you can share your strategy, you can share market insights, you can get to learn more, you can also get to connect with traders, analysts, and developers. This community, which is Invest Social, has a section for crypto, stocks, commodities, indices, right, and also Forex. Whatever financial markets you trade, Invest Social has a section for it whereby you can be part of every of this. To be part of this community, guys, make sure you visit investsocial.com. This is the trade. We were expecting it to come to this resistance zone, which market did. It came to this resistance zone. Market eventually did, and it tapped our resistance zone. Let's drop down to our 4-hour time frame right here. Right here, if you have to zoom it in, right? So I believe one more push-up will play out. So I believe that push-up to come to a level of 1.35700. So my next movement is, let's target 30 pips for the day. So we are to target 30 pips for the day on GBPUSD. So let's see markets push up to a level of 1.35700. Once markets can hit any of those level or possibly break above it, the likelihood of markets selling hard is very much there. If there will be any changes to this movement, remember, make sure your buyers are always flexible. If there will be any changes, I will do the updates and I will make sure I let you guys to know. So if you find this video very helpful, make sure you visit investsocial.com.